Welcome to Family Hearth and Heart, where delicious food meets country living with a little southern flair. Today we're making a dish that's creamy, cheesy, and full of color and kick: Southwestern mac and cheese with crumbled bacon. It's got red and green bell peppers, chopped tomato, smoky spices, and just enough sass to keep things interesting. It's the best mac and cheese this side of the Rio Grande. Here's what you'll need. Elbow macaroni, thick-cut bacon, cooked and crumbled, or alternatively, a pack of Hormel real crumbled bacon, butter, flour, milk, and cream for the sauce, sharp cheddar and pepper jack cheese, diced green chiles, red and green bell peppers, chopped tomato, chili powder, smoked paprika, and cumin. Optional: a scoop of salsa for extra flavor and flair, ½ cup sour cream, and maybe a sprinkle of crushed tortilla chips or crispy onions on top. Start by boiling your pasta until it's tender. While that's going, crisp up your bacon. In a big skillet, melt your butter and sauté the red and green bell peppers until soft. Add your chopped tomato and let it cook just a bit. It'll add color and a fresh pop to the dish. Sprinkle in your flour and stir to make a roux. Slowly whisk in your milk and cream and cook until it thickens like a good gravy. Then stir in your cheeses, green chili peppers, and spices. If you're using salsa, now's the time to add it. It gives the sauce a little zip and ties everything together. Fold in your cooked pasta, ½ cup sour cream, and half the crumbled bacon. Stir until every noodle is coated in cheesy goodness. Taste and adjust the seasoning. This is your moment to make it yours. If you want a golden top, pour it into a casserole dish. Sprinkle with crushed tortilla chips or crispy onions, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Otherwise, serve it straight from the pot. It's just as delicious. Top with the rest of your bacon and maybe a little cilantro or green onion. Serve it with plain or Mexican-style cornbread. This mac and cheese is creamy, colorful, and full of Southwestern flavor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Visit our website at familyhearthandheart.com. From my hearth to yours, happy cooking!